guys, what's up? This is Letitia of BlushingBlack.com. I have my wonderful hubby here with me, Mr. Blushing Black. Okay, so today we are reviewing the GoPro Hero 5. So wanted to just kind of play around with it, kind of show you exactly what we're doing. So I will let Joe kind of give us some of the technical stuff, because that's what he does.
We received this from Verizon with no accessories, but we were able to go on Amazon and grab actually this really cool accessory pack. So right now we're actually using a suction in our car, and it's hands-free, so it's safe. And you can, of course, it's best to always have a beautiful passenger with you to control the camera, record, and all those things. But this thing is pretty handy, not just for your action people, but definitely for your bloggers, your vloggers. They're trying to capture some different videos and make it hands-free and, you know, capture some cool stuff.
And this is really cool too, because of course, being a mom, you always want to kind of like capture what's going on in the back seat, or capturing what your kids are doing. I know for me, this is pretty cool because I don't have to actually have my phone stuck and I have to look at it and, you know, trying to drive at the same time. This is really good because obviously you're capturing all of the amazingness that's in the back seat right now, which is nothing. This is really cool for moms if you do want to have like those road trips, or you have some friends in the car, you guys are doing sing-alongs, whatever it is that you want to do and capture. Don't mind me, I'm just being a geek. It's super small, it can fit in your purse, in your backpack, your whatever that you're carrying. You can pull it out, and like he said, you can use your various accessories to mount it. I definitely say it's well worth the investment if you are into capturing video, if you're content creators, if you're just into like showcasing what's going on in real life. I think this is a perfect and easy and simple way that's not you holding your phone in someone's face all the time. Thank you guys so much for joining today. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of a review. Again, thank you so much to Verizon